So welcome to the semis, guys. So this is the first semis, and top two people will qualify for the finals. The order for the semis would be Pawan, Suresh, Tanmay, and Vijay. And after the eighth question, we'll switch the order in the reverse format. So this is the first question. Goes to Pawan. Just give me one moment. So Pawan, India last won an Asian Games gold medal in football in 1962. Which team did they beat in the finals? You're on mute.
Yeah, audible now?
Yeah,
South Korea.
South Korea is a very good answer. 10 points to Pawan. So yeah, okay. The image was a little blurry. Was it's from 1962. Anyways, moving to Suresh. Suresh, who has scored the fastest hat trick in the Premier League? You want to take a guess?
And Percy.
Not Van Persie. Passes to Tanmay.
Alan Shearer.
Not Alan Shearer. Passes to Vijay.
Defoe, German Defoe.
Not German Defoe. Passes to Pawan.
Sadio Mane.
Sadio
Against
Mane
Villa.
is the right answer. He did this when he was at Southampton in
Southampton.
2
Okay.
minutes
Right, right.
26 seconds. So 10 points to Pawan again. The next direct goes to Suresh. Suresh, what was the Jules Rimet Trophy replaced with?
The current World Cup trophy.
That is the right answer. So the FIFA World Cup trophy was formerly known as the Jules Rimet Trophy. 10 points to Suresh. Great answer, Suresh. Next is Tanmay's direct. Tanmay, which Turkish club's name translates to Lighthouse Garden?
Galatasaray.
Not Galatasaray. Passes to Vijay.
Fenerbahce.
Fenerbahce is the right answer. So Fener is Lighthouse and Bache is Garden. 10 points to Vijay for Fenerbahce. I think you knew it because of Ozil.
Random guess also. Actually, there are hardly 3-4 clubs I don't know.
So next direct is Pawan's direct. Pawan, the story is a board member of this club traveled to England in 1911 and he was asked to acquire Blackburn kits for his team back home. However, since he couldn't find those, he settled for Southampton kits instead. The club adopted the Southampton kit but retained the blue shorts from Blackburn. Which club are we talking about? So this is a European club. I don't want to narrow it down further. And obviously not an English club.
Understood. Southampton. AC Milan.
Not AC Milan. Goes to Suresh.
Atletico Madrid.
Yep, Atletico Madrid is the right answer. 10 points to Suresh.
Nice.
Great track. The next direct is Tanmay's direct. Tanmay's, in which country is the largest football stadium in the world based? I don't need the name, just tell me the country.
Brazil.
Not Brazil. Goes to Vijit.
Is it Spain?
Not Spain. Goes to Pawan.
Rungrado.
Yep, Rongrado is the right answer.
North
Great track.
Korea.
It's in North Korea. 10 points to Pawan. Should give you bonus points for getting the stadium. I can't. Yeah, good answer. So Pawan gets 10. The next direct is Suresh. Suresh, which player scored a goal against Inter Milan on 10th December 2019 to become the youngest goal scorer in the Champions League?
Jamal Musiala.
Not Jamal Musiala. Passes to Tanmay.
Renato Sanchez.
Not Renato Sanchez. Goes to Vijit.
Joao Felix.
Not Joao Felix. Passes to Pawan.
Sorry. Ansu Fati is for Barcelona.
Ansu Fati is the right answer. Great track, Pawan. 10 points to Pawan here. Ansu Fati scored the goal against Inter Milan. The next direct again goes to Suresh. Suresh, in a club cricket match for Greenmount Cricket Club in 1992, this English footballer shared a partnership of 236 runs with Matthew Hayden. Hayden scored 140 while the Englishman scored 110 not out. Who is this player?
Alan Shearer.
Not Alan Shearer. Goes to Tanmay.
Gary Lineker.
Not Gary Lineker. Goes to Vijit.
Robbie Fowler, I guess.
Not Robbie Fowler. Goes to Pawan.
Gary Neville.
Gary Neville is the right answer. 10 points to Pawan. Pawan's
Both the
already.
brothers used to play cricket before they started football.
So we're done with 8 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So I'll just give out the scores. Pawan is on 50. Suresh is on 20. Tanmay is yet to open his account while Vijit is on 10. So we'll reverse the order now. Pawan got the last answer correct. So the next direct is Vijit's. Vijit, how is Givanildo Vieira de Souza better known as? The name is also a comic book character.
Pass, no idea.
Goes to Tanmay.
Pass.
Okay, goes to Suresh.
Hulk.
Hulk
Correct.
is the right answer.
Correct.
Great track.
Oh,
Come on.
nice.
10 points to Suresh. Great track, Suresh. The next direct is Pawan's direct. Pawan, this is a football team which is not officially recognized by FIFA. Name the team.
Don't mind me. No, the image is not that high resolution. I don't know, man. No idea. Pass.
Okay, goes to Vijit.
Catalonia.
Catalonia is the right answer. Great answer, Vijit. So they
Busquets.
Fabregas,
Busquets.
Busquets, yeah.
Logic.
Great track. 10 points to Vijit. Next is Tanmay's direct. Tanmay, these are the teams represented by a particular player. Identify the player. So he played for Aston Villa from 98 to 2009 in 365 matches. 2009 to 24.
Gareth Barry.
Gareth Barry is the right answer. 10 points to Tanmay. So he has played the most matches in the Premier League. Great track, Tanmay. Next is Suresh direct. Suresh, what is Zabiwaka with respect to FIFA World Cups?
Most clean sheets.
No, goes to Pawan.
Is it a mascot?
Yup. 2018 World Cup mascot was named Zabiwaka.
Great.
Great track, Pawan. 10 more points to Pawan. The next is Vijit's direct. Vijit, this story goes as follows. This player accidentally answered to one of his teammates when he was calling for the bus driver. The bus driver's name was Dave. The club fans picked up on this mishap rather quickly, seeing as they couldn't pronounce his name. So Dave was stuck. So who is this player?
Schweinsteiger.
Not Bastian Schweinsteiger. Passes to Tanmay.
Cesar Azpilicueta.
Cesar Azpilicueta is the right answer. Great track, Tanmay.
Great.
10 points to Tanmay. His nickname Dave. Next is Suresh direct. Suresh, identify this player.
Michi Batshuayi.
Michi Batshuayi from Belgium. 10 more points to Suresh. And he is pretty active on Twitter. So are his teammates. Next is Pawan's direct. Pawan, so this club was called the Pensioners until the mid-50s because of their association with the famous Dash Hospital, home to British war veteran, the Dash Pensioners. Thankfully, this association continues to this day with loyal pensioners being given 8 seats for every home game at their home ground. Which club are we talking about?
Is it Chelsea?
Yep, it is Chelsea. Great track, Pawan. 10 more points to Pawan. Chelsea are also called the pensioners. So we come to the last question of the quiz. This is to Vijit. Vijit, which Hungarian football player nicknamed the Galloping Major has an award named after him?
Puskas.
Yep, Ferenc Puskas is the right answer.
Puskas.
10 points to Vijit. So we come to the end of the quiz. And the scores are Pawan is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70. Great job, Pawan. Great answers. Suresh is on 40. Tanmay is
Great.
on 20. And Vijit is on 30. So Pawan and Suresh go through to the finals. Great job.
Congratulations.
Awesome.
Good
game.
one, guys. Good game.
Congrats, guys.